Apple Music's spatial audio and lossless streaming features land on Android. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Go ahead. Break it down for me, Will.
But you have to use the Apple Music app.
Boo. No, it's better than nothing.
Yeah, and your phone has to work with Dolby Atmos.
If your Android device does support Atmos, the next step is to make sure you're on the most recent version of Apple Music. For lossless audio, you can tap the audio quality option in settings and choose between 24-bit 48 kilohertz or 24-bit 192 kilohertz resolution. Lossless audio is different from spatial audio. Yeah, of course it is. Anyway, so these options become available to you. So what you need to have, I guess, on Android is a Dolby-capable device, and you have to have...
You just download the app.
But wait a second, you have to have Apple's headphones or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not just strictly a software thing. Whoa. It doesn't say that, though. Does it? Am I crazy? Should this be an obvious thing?
Bluetooth headphones.
It doesn't work with Bluetooth headphones. To take advantage, you have to use a wired connection.
Oh, so you can use headphones.
No. This part is separate. This has something to do with lossless audio.
Oh.
Hey, remember people were angry about the AirPods Max, how they didn't even support it? You had to go get wired headphones that were capable. I don't know how many people are going to do this thing. They just, even in this article, they say it's a little messy. Definitely. Definitely messy. So you got to meet these requirements in order to take full advantage. If you want the ultimate Apple Music experience, whether you're on Android or on Apple, you need a wired pair of headphones for the ultimate experience. But kind of makes sense once you're into lossless anyway.